Hello, I'm Dr. Heidi Gardner, a distinguished fellow at Harvard Law School, and I would love to invite you to join me and a panel of distinguished corporate counsel to explore higher impact decision making through collaboration. The pandemic has created a lot of challenges and heartbreak for people. It has also given us new avenues to bring people into the mix, access their expertise and their points of view, and truly create an inclusive environment where people are not only given a seat at the table, but they earn that seat at the table and their contributions are valued and used to great effect. We will be exploring how to go about creating this sort of environment where you get the right people at the table or the Zoom room and make sure you are accessing and harnessing the full complement of their expertise. What our panel will be exploring is how to do this more efficiently and effectively day in, day out within the legal team and between the legal team and a whole variety of other stakeholders that matter. That's the session on day one, the day of learning. But I'll be back on day two to host another more of a workshop-y sort of format. What we're going to do is engage you in some personalized learning opportunities. As soon as you log on, you'll have 1 minute to complete a very quick profile online. And then what we will do is dig into that and say, how do you use that natural tendency as a catalyst to engage in this smarter way of working? We'll be talking about how to collaborate in a smart way, not only within your legal team, but across a variety of entities that our research shows adds quantifiable value to the entity and to the people engaging this way. We hope you join us on both of those sessions for the day of learning, for the workshop afterward, and I look forward to your presence at that point. Thank you so much.